So you always serve an Irish coffee in a glass. It's the rule, okay? It's the law. For two reasons. So the first reason is for aesthetics. We want the Irish coffee to look like another very famous Irish drink that you just had. What would that be?
Guinness.
Perfect. Now the reason we want it to look like a Guinness is you're supposed to drink it like a Guinness for texture. We want you to drink the warm, bitter coffee and whiskey through the rich, sweet, cold cream. And that is why Americans and Koreans, in particular, you never, ever, ever stir an Irish coffee. If I catch you stirring an Irish coffee, out you get, okay? So that's why the texture is so important, okay? Very obviously Irish whiskey. We're using Powers Gold blend today. I'm not just saying this, Powers is my favourite brand of Irish whiskey. I love lots of Irish whiskey, but it's my go-to, and their John's Lane in particular is gorgeous. But anyway, we're doing the gold label here today. We want some freshly brewed coffee, we want some cream, and we want some sugar. So we've browned white sugar. Beautiful.
You can have either either.
No, this is perfect. This is absolutely amazing. So the first thing is we've got the coffee or the whiskey in the glass already. So the next thing we want to do is we want to pour some coffee in. So we want to leave a bit of space at the top of the head. So in about a finger space is good, okay? So off you go. I did say I'm making you do this yourself. So you can pour that in, leave a bit of space at the top. And what you're doing this on St. Patrick's Day next year, I'm telling you now.
That's
this
really
year.
strong coffee now.
And you want strong coffee.
I need it.
Oh, hang on.
This is a water.
That's water. You're dead right.
I've
So
got-
we swap it out. We don't keep going.
I've got late shows tonight.
You actually really want strong coffee because
Would you like me to pour yours? Okay.
so generous. Almost espresso because we want it all to be really well balanced.
Okay, I'll put
Yeah,
some
I
more
don't
in
want
there.
it too strong, so that might.
She doesn't want too strong. I'll add a little bit of water.
Okay, so
for
that's
her.
why I need the hot water. Yeah.
Good woman. Down there for dancing.
Helen here.
Now we want to get most of the sweetness from the Irish coffee from the coffee and the whiskey. So I'm going to get you to take a white sugar lump. Oh no, sorry, a brown sugar lump.
Touch that one.
That's okay.
Is it okay to just use my finger?
You know, Americans, you're the only country in the world that worry about germs.
I don't. I just know that others do. I don't give a shit.
We're going to add brown. Throw that in. Now, brown sugar doesn't add a huge amount of sweetness, but what it's going to do when we give it a big, huge stir. Now, this is the only time you ever stir an Irish coffee, so get it out of your system. So we want to dissolve the coffee and the sugar and the whiskey. We want it all to blend really well together. And as you do that, that sugar is going to thicken the coffee just enough to help the cream to sit on top. Okay?
So you want it fully dissolved.
Yeah, give it a good stir. Now I'm going to lash in the cream.
I shook it a little bit earlier, so it
Oh,
is.
good woman. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good. Now, this is actually perfect. So Tracy has already done this first, but a good trick at home. If you want to put on a bit of a show for your friends, all you have to do is add some cream into a cocktail shaker, a little bit of sugar, 2 spoons in, give it a really good shake. Because you don't want butter, okay? You don't want like whisked cream. So you'll see from the texture, this is perfect. Tracy's the expert. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your teaspoon and you're going to hold it upside down. So this spoon here, you're going to hold it at a really good angle. And you're going to hold it inside the glass on the level of the coffee against the glass. Perfect. People are geniuses. We're going to pour the cream over the back of the spoon, aiming for up here, because if you aim for too low, it's going to go down your arm and you're going to have to lick it off. It's terrible. So we're going to aim for up here. I'm going to pour the cream to the top of the glass. We are not, no Grainne, we're not going to let the spoon fall into the coffee. We're going to pull the spoon out, lick the spoon, best bit of the whole drink. Now, I'm going to hold the spoon for you, and you're going to pour the cream.
Let me come around and do the camera for you.
Oh, you're such a genius. Actually, I can do it for you. What do I think? So, hold your spoon in. Yeah. Take your cream. You can do it at the same time. Off you go. Yeah. Aim it for back here, and then off you go. Yeah. A bit further down. Look at you. Genius. Keep going. Keep going. Pour that cream in. The toughest bit of this drink is the first sup, trying to get the coffee through the cream the first time. I want to see a cream mustache on both of you.
Well done, ladies.
And they geniuses.
Yeah, well done.
I think it was my excellent instruction, to be
it was
honest.
I think it
Yeah.
was. I think it was.
Yeah.
Bravo. I'm thrilled with them. So, girls,
So
most
can we
cream must
stay?
last forever. I want you
Or
to
until
bring
we
this
close.
home. Okay, so I want to see one last sláinte. And nice cream moustache. And cilantro. The only last thing I have to say to Americans, you know those CO2 cans of cream you get in the United States? They have no place in this drink ever.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And Americans say, what kind of cream is it? From a cow? Okay.
I'm with you.
Enjoy, girls. Enjoy. I want to see.